Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do the hard work of comparing products so you don't have to. Today, we've got a vacuum battle royale between two heavyweights from Lefant. On the left, we've got the OG, the Lefant M210, and on the right, its upgraded sibling, the Lefant M210 Pro. Who will suck the most? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the one thing that really matters: money. The Lefant M210 comes in at a cool $199, while the M210 Pro will set you back an extra $10 at $209. That's right, folks, for just $10 more, you can get the Pro. It's like choosing between a regular coffee and a latte. But is the latte worth it? Let's dive deeper. Now, both of these vacuums can connect to an app, but the M210 Pro claims to connect faster and more efficiently. It's like the Usain Bolt of vacuum connectivity. So if you're one of those people who can't wait an extra 5 seconds for your vacuum to connect, the Pro might just be your new best friend. Reviewers have noted that the M210 Pro's connectivity is indeed swift and hassle-free. Moving on to cleaning modes. The M210 offers 6 modes, including Auto, Spot, Edge, Zigzag, Scheduled, and Manual. It's like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. Meanwhile, the M210 Pro decided to simplify your life with just 4 modes: Automatic, Planning, Fixed Point, and Edge. It's like the minimalist cousin who just shows up with a toothbrush and a change of underwear. Reviews suggest that while the M210 offers versatility, the M210 Pro's modes are more straightforward and user-friendly. Both vacuums boast a unique brushless suction port that promises to make pet hair and dirt disappear like magic. But the M210 Pro claims to have a large suction door design that makes it even more efficient. So if your home looks like a petting zoo, the Pro might just be your new hero. Reviewers have praised the M210 Pro for its strong suction, especially for pet hair, while the M210 also holds its own but may require some annual cleanup. Both vacuums are pretty smart. You can control them using the Lefant app or even yell at them through Alexa or Google Assistant. But the M210 Pro takes it up a notch with Free Move 3.0 technology, which sounds like it should come with a cape and a superhero theme song. It promises omnidirectional detection and better obstacle avoidance. So if your house is an obstacle course, the Pro might just navigate it like a ninja. Reviewers love the Pro's advanced obstacle avoidance, making it ideal for cluttered homes. And finally, let's talk battery life. The M210 promises up to 120 minutes of runtime, which is like watching a full-length movie while your vacuum does all the work. The Pro, however, doesn't brag about its battery life, so let's just assume it's at least as good, if not better. Because who doesn't want a vacuum that can go the distance? Reviewers have found the battery life of both models to be satisfactory for regular use. Overall, reviewers appreciate both vacuums for their performance and value. The M210 is praised for its versatility and cost-effectiveness, making it great for pet owners and those with busy homes. The M210 Pro, on the other hand, is lauded for its strong suction and advanced features, making it a slightly pricier but worthwhile investment. So there you have it, folks. The Lefant M210 and the M210 Pro going head-to-head in a vacuum showdown. If you want a vacuum that's affordable, versatile, and can crawl under your furniture like a sneaky little ninja, go for the M210. But if you want to splurge an extra $10 for faster connectivity, simplified modes, and superhero-level obstacle avoidance, the M210 Pro is your go-to. Either way, you're getting a great vacuum that sucks in all the right ways. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more epic product battles, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, where we help you make smart purchases without breaking a sweat. See you in the next video. Product links are in the description.